Ever heard a horrible screeching noise coming from your car and thought, "Oh, my brakes are done for"? Well, sometimes the culprit is way smaller than you'd expect. Today, we've got a customer complaint about a loud noise from the front left side of their vehicle. Let's check it out. After a quick test drive, we confirmed the noise was coming from the front left wheel. At first, it sounded like a worn-out brake pad or maybe a warped rotor, but after pulling the wheel off, we found the real troublemaker, a tiny stone wedged between the rotor and backing plate. Ladies and gentlemen, this little guy here decided to moonlight as a heavy metal drummer. Unfortunately, the gig is over. So, if you ever hear a loud scraping or screeching noise, don't panic. It might just be a freeloading rock hitching a ride. A quick inspection could save you time, money, and a lot of worry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips. See you in the next one.